What up, YouTube? This is your president, the Presidential Tourist, back with another food review video. Kind of an unusual one. Something I've been wanting to do forever is do like different recipes I see in like movies, television shows. So that what's the best one to do? The Car Panini by Peter Griffin of Family Guy. And while he cooked it in his car, I'm not going to be doing that. But I'm going to do something even better. I'm in my driveway, in front of my garage, cars behind you, and to even Peter Griffin this up even more, I am sitting on a toilet. Now I think that'd be something Peter Griffin would do, right? Cook a sandwich on a toilet? Which is what I'm going to be doing. But let me show you the ingredients. Now this sandwich could be the weirdest, most amazing thing ever, or it could be totally disgusting. We're gonna see. I got it here, what we're gonna do. Looks like he used white bread, so I just got some cheap white bread. This is a Publix brand. Nachos, or Doritos. I got enough for actually 2 sandwiches. Caramel egg, or Cadbury egg, I mean. Reese's Buttercups. And he referred to them as sausages, but I think they were hot dogs. So they were in that, you know, that vacuum pack clear wrap? This is what they looked like to me. But they are a pack of 3. These individual wraps are a pack of 4. So I'm assuming this is what he used. That's what it looked like to me. So I'm going to probably cook these on this, because I have a Foreman grill. What he used basically was a Foreman grill. He didn't refer to that as that one, and George Foreman, rest in peace. But that's basically what he used in his car. So I'll cook these quickly. Stuff cooks on the Foreman grill like really quick anyways. You know, he put them on like straight from the pack. But you know, with cartoon physics, it was cooked in like 10 seconds. So obviously it's not going to do that quickly. So I'm going to do that, but I got ordinary hot dogs, jumbo wieners from Oscar Mayer. Okay, so we're going to do this, and we're going to cook it. All right, let's get going. All right, I just reviewed the recipe. The hot dogs are cooking. Like I said, this is different from what they had Peter do in the Family Guy, but I thought it's better to cook them first. I reviewed the recipe and I got everything. I don't know if I'll show that scene on my video or not. I may have taken a couple screenshots, but I'll put a link below to where you could watch that, so you can see him make the Car Panini, as he called it. Now I know I'm not the first one to make this, or this way. I know some use actual sausages, like breakfast ones, and then some use Vienna sausages, which kind of can go with that, because I think Vienna sausages are technically hot dogs. They're already cooked, so I could have just took that out of the can and put it in the sandwich right away. But I want to try to make it as authentic as possible. So that's why I'm doing it this way. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know how Doritos, hot dogs, Cadbury eggs, and Reese's Pieces are going to go on a sandwich. We will see. Probably going to be disgusting. But I tried foods before that was supposed to be disgusting, and I actually like them. So we will see how this goes right here, okay? But there's this won't be the first one only one I'm gonna do. I want to do some other recipes, more serious ones. This is not a serious recipe. Obviously, if you've ever seen Family Guy, it's not a serious show, but it's funny as hell to me. Really raunchy humor. It's technically more of an adult cartoon than, say, Flintstones or the Jetsons or SpongeBob. But yeah, but I wanted to do this and get going on, and I had some time with everything. those bad boys are cooking, and then it won't be very long. This is what I love about Foreman Grill or Foreman Grill knockoffs. I had knockoffs before. This is the first time I had an actual Foreman Grill. They cook things really quickly, but you know, you have the heat in the top, you have the heat in the bottom. So yeah, it really does quick. So this won't be long. Another thing Peter did too, he didn't put any butter on the bread. So this is going in there all natural, no butter. It's going to have some grease from the hot dogs, obviously, but that is part of the taste anyways. So we'll see. And I'll be done in a little bit, and then we're going to get going and try the Car Panini. Ooh. See how it goes. And like I said, I'll put the link below if you want to see where Peter made it on it. Okay, let's get to it. Next step, just wait for this to keep cooking. Okay, I think they're done enough, you know. Let's get building it. Of course, cartoon physics doesn't work exactly quite in the real world, so I guess I got some cheap white bread. It looks like he used white one. You know, some of this is not, you're not going to get like very big specifics, you know. Alright, not sure how well you can see that. Let me see. Yeah, you can see it just a little bit. I'll turn it just a little bit. There you go. So, alright. Let's move these over. There you go, bread. Yeah. We use 3 hot dogs, or sausages as he referred them to. And then, let's see, he put, I think, 4 of these Reese's things. And hopefully we can get these out because they've been in the sun, even though not that long. But don't know how this is going to go. Oh yeah, that's definitely going to be interesting. Oh boy. Let me just make sure it's not a big mess because I have dogs. I don't want let me just do this. This is going to be a very delicate operation. Yeah, I should have probably kept these inside to right when I was ready. Let's put that here. Of course, he made it look a lot easier. Oh, yes. These Reese's Pieces cups are delicious. But boy, do they melt fast. Looks like I have poop in my hands, which is kind of ironic since I'm actually sitting on a toilet. Excuse me for licking my fingers, I usually do not do that. Okay, then you put the nachos. He did a bigger bag, but I'm just gonna, I got one of these tiny ones. Kind of like crunched it up. Now this is gonna be the tricky part. These Cadbury eggs. Because he just broke it in and poured it on, put the whole thing on like a regular egg. These things will not break that well. I can guarantee you that. And he's been in the sun for not that long. Hopefully, they're not totally all melty and deliciously melty. Ew, I got this stuff all over my fingers. I should definitely have gotten a napkin. Okay, good. It's not like totally a mess. I gotta be quick because that bread will start burning. So he just cracked it open like a regular egg. This is not gonna crack, so I'm gonna like crush it. There. Okay. Try to show you. I gotta try not to get stuff all over my camera. There it is, the Car Panini in all its gloriness. Okay. I'm going to let that bad boy cook and then let you know how it goes. Okay. Look at that. Cooking in all its gloriousness. The Car Panini. Alright, it's just about done, I think. Okay.
What the heck you got going on over there?
Anyways, here it is. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this. Tasty, tasty, I bet. Probably not. Let's go. Sit back on the porcelain throne. Ugh, boy. It might be okay. Oh, in the show he split it apart. I'm not going to do that because it's going to be a soppy mess. So I'm just going to bite into it. I gotta say, that's not too bad. The chocolate really dominates it. You get the crunch of the nachos. Look at this. I saw another video someone made this. They thought it was absolutely disgusting, and it sounds and looks disgusting, but it's actually not bad, surprisingly. Yeah, you taste that peanut butter cup more than anything. It really dominates it. That screams Peter Griffin all over it. It's actually pretty darn good, surprisingly. Would I make this again? No, because it's such a ridiculous sandwich. But I'm glad I tried that. If you try this, what do you think? I actually like it. It's such a weird contrast of texture, more than anything. Not as much the flavor. It's like I said, I don't really taste the nachos. I don't really taste the hot dogs. I taste the chocolate and the peanut butter more than anything. That really dominates it. You taste the salt from, I think, the hot dogs a little bit, but the sweetness is what overwhelms it. So That's definitely very interesting. Very good. But one last look at the Car Panini. Posing for an awkward thumbnail. Okay. Alrighty, any comments or questions, let me know. Thank you for watching, everyone. I appreciate it. I'm going to do some more of these movie, TV, recipe reviews as best as I can. Alright, can you get going? Any comments, questions, put them below. And yeah, give this a try. I think you're going to be actually surprised. I know I was. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye.